Dapat nandito sa
may picture.
wala naman ang alam ko.
Nasa si Jillian.
Ikaw magawa ka doon. Ibigay mo muna yan kay...
Sila.
Ito kayo. Ito ka na.
Number 1, yung mga ninang, ay naku na, sasabi ko. Kaya ko na natin. Ninang is number 1. Benjamin muna, Benjamin Partusa. Benjamin. Si Mr. Benjamin po. Sino ba?
Ikaw lang po yung mga ibang ito.
Ganito man.
Pwede naman English o pwede English. Ikaw na magkano pa yung pintura. Ikaw na.
Anong ganito?
Yes, pagpos mo.
Pinapunta ko sa inyo, hindi ka
Hindi mo alam. Hindi, yun yan. Sige na, go. Yan ang
Oo.
Yeah. They are signing the marriage contract. They're all the ninangs and ninong. We haven't started, but they are signing it first before they perform the marriage. Okay. She's the mother of the bride. He's the father of the bride with my sister Rosita. He's the ninong of Robin Rivera, Benjamin Partosa, and that's ninang of Robin Rivera.
Ganela.
It's Yonela Birongoy. And what's this one?
Signing
She's signing, is he sponsor also for Annabelle?
Yeah.
And there's the judge performing the marriage. with the secretary.
Yeah, that's Reverend Susan.
Okay, here's my sister Lourdes and my cousin Pining, my nephew. Then here's Annabelle's sister. She's single, by the way. Yes. Here's all the relatives of
Ninang na magaganda. Si
the
Rosita Briones,
relatives of
Flora Timbao, Leonie Barongo.
this is the relatives of the bride.
Barongo.
Signing your paper? Yeah. This is spinning, is signing the also on Ninang, Leonie, is for the groom, and pinning is for the bride.
Bishop Benjamin Biluan from United Apostolic Christian Church of the Philippines, and our Reverend Susan. So, before we start, I would like to everybody to stand up and pray to Jesus Christ with your own self. 2 minutes prayer. Okay, amen. Everybody may sit down. Godmother, no? So, I would like to tell something about the marriage, especially when, no? First of all, you know the document, how important is this. You will get married here in the Philippines once only, no? And you cannot get married for other year. No? So, especially when you are in the United States, there's a separation. But here in the Philippines, there's no divorce. Especially now, you are accepting to be your wife, Annabelle. No? So, I would like to tell you about that. Jealous is not good when it comes too much. Jealous is not good. You know that? Hitting the girl is not good. Drinking wine and you are have a misunderstanding is not good. You know, you have your age is already 13 years old, and the other one is 32. Okay, 32 and 30. So you are good enough to get married, and I would solemnize to make longer because you are not young already, like I'm 18 years old. 19. There is too much advice from the bishop. No? So I would like to tell you that this marriage is forever. Not all the time getting married or once only. For my decision to take. Now that, no? Especially in the Philippines. So I will. Thank you very much.
One more time, Robin. You know, the good one. There you go.